how to use Coinbase Wallet. Now it's very simple to use the Coinbase Wallet application as well, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch a Coinbase app, and this is assuming that you have already signed up, created the account and done everything. Right when you're on the home page, you'll be able to see explore Coinbase, earn some referrals, and you'll be able to see the current price and so on and everything as such, and all the news. If you go to the second option right here, you'll be able to see the assets that you own in both crypto and in cash. So if you own them, you'll be able to find them right here. You can also explore all crypto, and if you want to buy a certain crypto, you can just click on the buy option to be able to buy a certain cryptocurrency. Here you'll be able to find all of the transactions and the statements according to the types and according to the assets, depending upon what is it that you prefer. If you come to the bottom right icon, which is the explore icon, also you'll be able to see the top profiting assets right here. Now if you want to buy or sell crypto, here you can see buy and sell option. You can select that. If you want to buy crypto with cash, you can select that, or sell crypto for cash, you can select that as well. If you want to convert, which means to swap one particular crypto to another, you can select the convert option to do so. If you want to transfer your crypto, you can tap the transfer option to be able to send crypto or receive crypto to your account. Now if you go to the multiple dots icon from the top left, you'll be able to access other settings. Now buy, sell, send, receive, we've already discussed it. Other than that, if you go to your profile settings, you'll be able to customize your security settings. Like maybe if you want to delete your account, you can go to delete account. If you want to change the appearance of the Coinbase app, you could go ahead and do that. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can use Coinbase Wallet. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.